Hello, welcome back. This is the second part of the blouse. Well, I already finished to make the rows that I needed. As you could see here, we have the first flower, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I have the 35 centimeters I needed. And here at the end, I just made one row more to completely close the leaves. I will show you, I already measured, but I want to show you here. Yes, okay, you see 35 centimeters. Here at the end, I will make a last row, and this row will be for the edge. It will be for the end of the sleeve. Well, then we will go up with 2 chains. We will turn over twice, and now here between the last 2 double crochets, do you see? Right here we are going to insert our hook, and we are going to make an extended double crochet. 2, then we will go up with 3 chains, and we will come back to the beginning, and we are going to slip 1, and here we have the picot. Then 2 chains, turn over twice, and in the same space right in the middle of the last 2 double crochets, again an extended double crochet, then 3 chains, and we will come back to the beginning, insert your hook and slip 1. Then 2 chains, turn over twice, and in the same space an extended double crochet, again 3 chains to make the picot. We are going to kind of lean the hook, you see, this is the secret. Then 2 chains, turn over twice, again in the same space an extended double crochet, 3 chains, and we will come back and make the picot. And like this we are going to make 7 extended double crochet with 7 picots, okay? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to make 7. So here we have 2 chains between them, remember? Here we are about to make the 6 with picot also. 2 chains, turn over twice, and again this will be the last one with picot, okay, also. Then 2 chains, and then we will go where we have the last single crochet, and like this, and right there, sorry, we are going to make a single crochet. So look, like this we are going to continue. We are going to make these shells until we finish the row. And again, here we will start, we will make 2 chains, we will turn over twice, and we will go where we have the 2 last double crochets together, remember? And right there we are going to make these extended double crochets with the picot. Well, at the end, remember that we should have 2 pieces like this one. We are going to repeat the same row of this of the edge also here. But well, I already get ahead, I have 2 pieces exactly the same. Well, so once we have these 2 pieces ready, we are going to join them, and we are going to make the elastic of the bottom, okay? But first finish the rows of the edge and finish both pieces, and please hide all the loosened threads. Well, once that you have these 2 pieces ready and you hide all the threads, we are going to make a long strip for the bottom. We are going to make the elastic. So we are going to make chains. I will make this strip of height of 12 centimeters. So I will tell you how many chains I made. According to the 12 centimeters, I want it to be my strip of height, okay? Okay, so here we have 25 chains. And yes, we have 12 centimeters. Well, at the end of the row, make 1 more. And we are going to come back and make in each stitch, we are going to make a half double crochet. Like this in all the stitches, okay? So we must have at the end 25 half double crochet, sorry. Well, at the end, turn around, go up with 1 chain, and we are going to make rib stitch. This means that we are going to make a half double crochet, but only taking the back part of the chain like this. Well, with this stitch we are going to continue making more rows until we have a long strip that goes all around our hip. Okay, so you are going to make as many chains as you need, as many rows as you need according to the size that you are making this blouse for. Okay, so at the end of this row you are just going to turn around, go up with one chain and continue taking the back part of the chain, making rib stitch. Well, look, remember that I'm making this blouse for myself and this is a large size, so it will depend according to the size that you are making this for. Okay, so I made 90 centimeters. So so this go all around my hip, and according to your size, well, you are going to make the rows that you need, right? Well, at the end we are going, once you are sure and once you already try on that this strip is perfectly for you, it's perfect for you, well, we are going to close. Well, using our hook also, we are going to take both parts, both pieces, and we are going to make single crochet. Okay, we are going to take one stitch from each side. We have to go in order and just making single crochet. We are going to join these pieces, right? Well, at the end, when you finish to join using your hook and making single crochet, we are going to use markers to point it out exactly half of this strip, and then we will place the two strips that we made. Well, here I finished. As you could see, it perfectly blends with the stitch, so it's perfect. Well, before we join the two strips that we made before, we are going to make a single crochet row all around. Well, it is important that we respect the shape of this strip, okay? We don't want to close or open. Be careful, try not to tight or try not to loose or try not to skip spaces, okay? Please go in order, and if you see that it's reducing, well, please lose a little bit. And we will continue all around. For example, here if you have this stitch open, we'll try to take both parts and close, and like this the whole row. Well, look, I finished to make the row, and now we are going to divide in fourth, okay? I first take the half, and then I divide the other half, so I divide in four. I put some markers, and this is what I have. Well, now that we have a divide, we are going to pick one strip here and one strip in the other side, and this will be the neck. And remember that the last rows that we made at the end for the edge will go outside, and it will be part of the sleeves. So you have, once you place them, you have to take that into account, that the straight edge will go inside and that the row that we made with the shells will go outside. So we will place like this. This will be the back and this will be the front. And we will leave this last rows here free, okay? We won't join them. And with the hook we are going to make single crochet to join. We are going to join this piece in the wrong side like this, making single crochet. I will show you. Well, so like this is how we are going to join. We are going to use the same hook and the same yarn, and also making single crochet and going in order. If you want, before you can put some markers so this strip can move and it will be easier for you. Well, if you want, okay? So here we are going to start right in the exact half, and we are going to make single crochet. We will go in order, and like this in the wrong side is how we are going to join. The same way we are going to join the front part too. Okay, so this will be the back, and then we will join the front. Then we will cut and we will continue with the next strip, and we will repeat the same steps. So again we will repeat again in the exact half. Sorry, we are going to place both strips, And again we are going to repeat all the steps. This will be the neck, this will be the hip, and at the end we are going to make a last row. But first let's join. Well, look, I finished to join. As you could see here, I left this space free and I joined in the wrong side. So here I have a pleat here, but it's okay, right? Because it's in the wrong side. At the end you will hide all the loosened threads that you may have, and then here in the necklace, like it's too wide and open, if you want, you will decide how much space you need to sew and close, but it's up to you, okay? You will decide. If you want, you can leave it open. And I will make the same here also in the side, okay? I will join just these two pieces. I will give just 2 stitches to close here the sides a little bit, but also it's up to you, okay? So in my case, I will make it to fit it better. Well, for the edge of the blouse, we are going to repeat some of the rows that we made that we made for the blouse. Okay, we will repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, and the shells. So we will copy these rows. We are going to make first 4 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, then 4 double crochet, 3 chains, then single crochet, and 3 chains. Let's make them. Well, we are going to calculate because obviously we don't have the same stitches here in the bottom. So we are going to calculate and fix how we can organize the stitch. So we will start here making 3 chains. We will go up 1, 2, and 3. We will skip 1 space, and in the next one we will start making the 4 double crochet. We will make first 2 together, then in the next space we are going to make the next 2. So here we will have 4 double crochet, then 2 chains, and the same space the next 2 double crochets, then 2 chains. Okay, after the 2 chains I will make the 4 double crochet and then again the 2 double crochet, right? So I'm going to skip 1, and in the next one, remember that first I put 2 double crochets together, and then in the next space I put again 2 double crochets to have the 4 double crochets that I need, right? Then 2 chains, I will skip 1 and then a single crochet. And like this we are going to continue the whole row. Again we will repeat 4, 2, 4, and we will finish with single crochet. Well, and like this we are going to continue the whole row, okay? I will continue making this stitch with you so you can see exactly where I put the hook and how much spaces I'm leaving, because I know that according to the size that you are making this blouse for will change. So I want you to see more or less how I make it so you can take it as a reference. Well, like this we are going to continue the whole row. Well, I take as a reference the shells that I made for the sleeves, okay? So according to this reference, I calculate more or less how many shells do I need for the front and for the back. And I calculate that I need 6 and 6. So we are going to make in the extra half 3 and in the other half 3. So you can calculate like this. Well, now that we have the base, it will be easier to follow. Remember that we have made these rows, so you already know how to. And remember that we are copying this last row, so now we are going to make double crochet over double crochet, and here we are going to make the V's. We are going to make the 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and the 2 double crochet over here, okay, over the 2 double crochets that we have. So here is where I finished, and I need to start the row here. I will show you here over the double crochet. So I'm going to slip 1, 2, and 3, and now that I'm here I will go up with 3 chains, and I will make double crochet over double crochet. So well, basically we are going to follow the same instructions. So remember that after we made the 4 double crochet, we are going to make 2 chains, and we are going to make the V. This means that we are going to make first 2 double crochet, then 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet over the next double crochet, like this, you see? Then 2 chains, and again double crochet over double crochet. Well, and like this we are going to continue the coming rows, okay? We have to check what we made in the last rows, and for now we have to make 2 rows more according to this theory, and we will finish making the shells. If we need to sleep, well, we will sleep, okay? At the end we will have 5 rows, the last 5 rows that we made when we made the strips. Remember, we are going to repeat these 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with the shell and with the picots. Well, and with this we finished. This is the end of the second part. If you follow the instructions, well, you will have something like this. It's very easy. I love it. At the end, if you want, you can iron with plenty of steam. Remember, very gently, using a protection under. And if you want, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. It's up to you. You will following these instructions, you can make them in different sizes, also in different colors too. Please let me know if you make it. As you could see here in the middle, I closed the necklace like this. I just sew with the same yarn, but it's up to you. If you want, you can leave it more open and or close it even more. Please show me if you make it. Please take a picture and tag me. I love to see you making my creations. And well, if you have any other design and idea like this one, please let me know. I will love to make your idea and share it with all of you. Well, if you want to make and watch again the first part, here in the description box below I will share the link. And thank you so much again to arrive till the end of the video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.